In a small village nestled between rolling hills, there lived two sisters, Maya and Leela, and their mother. Maya was known for her hard-working nature. She spent her days toiling in the fields, helping the elderly, and always lending a hand to anyone in need. Leela, on the other hand, was lazy and preferred to spend her time lounging at home or playing with her friends. Despite Maya's efforts, their mother always praised Leela, showering her with love for her charm and beauty, while Maya's hard work went unnoticed. One year, a terrible drought struck the village. The crops began to wither, and food became scarce. The villagers grew worried, but Maya continued to labor tirelessly, doing everything she could to save the crops. She watered the plants, gathered what little food remained, and even shared it with neighbors who were struggling. Leela, however, stayed at home, complaining about the heat and the lack of food, doing nothing to help. As the drought stretched on, Maya's dedication began to pay off. She managed to save a small but vital harvest, enough to feed the family for the coming months. One day, while Maya was working in the fields, she heard a faint cry. Following the sound, she found an injured bird, which she gently nursed back to health. She placed the bird in a safe corner of their garden, where it could rest and recover. To Maya's surprise, the very next morning, the bird returned with a flock of other animals, each carrying small gifts, fruit, water, and even seeds. The animals had come to repay Maya for her kindness. As the birds and animals spread out to the fields, they helped replenish the dried-up crops, bringing life to the soil again. The harvest was saved, and the family was blessed with abundance. When the villagers saw what had happened, they were amazed. They had witnessed Maya's hard work and kindness, even when her efforts had been unnoticed. However, their mother, who had always favored Leela, was still reluctant to acknowledge Maya's true worth. It wasn't until the animals brought a golden harvest to their door that the mother finally understood. She realized that kindness, like hard work, had its own rewards. From that day on, the mother learned to appreciate Maya's quiet strength, understanding that true beauty lies not in appearance, but in the goodness of one's heart. Moral: hard work and kindness may not always be recognized at first, but they have the power to bring unexpected rewards and blessings. The end.
Subscribe to my channel.